Hey everybody, I'm Tom LeBlanc. I'm the editor of Commercial Integrator here at InfoComm 2018. I'm happy to be joined by Scott Krueckeberg from MXL. Hey Scott.
How are you, sir?
Happy to be here. One of the things I wanted to ask you about was kind of the history of MXL and also, kind of what's going on in the UCC market.
Yeah, so MXL is a 30-year-long manufacturer and designer of condenser microphones for music production, for recording studios. So we have a long history in manufacturing high-quality microphones. What's great about MXL is we've captured some of that knowledge and history and brought it into the UCC market. And a lot of it is starting to pick up steam, and it happened organically, which is really cool for us, right? It started with having a very high quality product, people getting a very clean, clear result out of our microphones for web conferencing and attaching to video. And it's really just happened by early adopters, people using the microphones with their software codecs, and we've just seen substantial growth year after year with just bringing quality products for the price point into this market, which we've been very successful with in musical instruments for many decades.
So the many decades thing is interesting to me because you guys have that kind of legacy of developing studio quality microphones.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, like the whole meeting room, space doesn't have a reputation for having folks who prioritize that really quality audio. But you guys are finding that an educated customer does appreciate the need for that quality microphone in that space. Can you just talk about a little bit about what you're finding?
Yeah, and I think right now video has kind of been at the forefront, right? What are we watching? How does it look? What are the cameras like? And now people are paying just as much attention to the audio as they are video. They want true voice definition. They want the clarity, the intelligibility that you would get from a studio quality microphone, and we can offer that in tabletop USB mics and different things for boardrooms where people are really hearing themselves and hearing the person on the other side, and it's elevating the whole experience, matching the HD video to HD audio.
So UCC, Unified Communications and Collaboration, it's such a growing category, and you addressed some of the trends in that category. Any other trends that you want to talk about and specifically how you guys are addressing it?
Yeah, I think that there's just a new wave of hardware manufacturers that are coming to the table with innovative design where we kind of know what people expect, what they want to see, what they want to hear. So we have a lot of technology partners and we're constantly bouncing off ideas with each other. It's almost healthy competition. How can we present the best quality product in this space? And being strictly a hardware manufacturer, we get to partner with the guys making the software codecs and really bringing a modern huddle room and conference room design with hardware that meets a modern budget, right? Everyone is budget conscious. They want to watch how much they're spending, and also a lot more rooms are being converted. So in years past you might have one conference room in a building. Now people have multiple, up to 20. There's entire floors of buildings that are dedicated to huddle rooms and conference rooms, and they want that consistent quality hardware room to room where someone can enter, easily access a conference, see themselves, hear themselves. And I think MXL is part of Marshall. We're bringing microphone innovation, camera innovation, all aspects of AV into UCC, and just bringing our knowledge of true quality when it comes to hearing a person. The tone of voice, what's the frequency spectrum? There's all these different specs and stats that people are used to when it comes to microphones, but they've been neglected in UCC, and we kind of bridge that gap between we know what works, between the A to D, the condenser capsules, everything you need to really harness great audio, and putting it into these hardware packages that people can sit on their conference room tables and have in these boardrooms and huddle rooms.
Well, Scott Krueckeberg from MXL, thanks so much for talking to Commercial Integrator.
Absolutely, appreciate your time.